How to fix TikTok my sound problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, if you are a TikTok user and if you are facing any kind of problem regarding my sound, then how you can fix this problem. In this video I am going to show you up some solution. By doing this solution guys, believe me, your problem will be definitely fixed. Okay, so I have some solution for you to fix this problem. So many people uh used to trouble. Okay, they get trouble regarding this kind of problem. Okay, sometimes their my sound didn't work, sometimes there is a sound problem. Okay, anything it can be happen. So guys, if you are facing any kind of problem regarding my sound, then simply watch this video. Okay, after the solution guys, your problem is going to fix definitely. So guys, just watch this video till the end. Okay, that means you have to stay tuned with the video. And guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So let's start the video. So guys, what you need to do is, the first thing you have to follow, go to Play Store. Okay, this is the only option for you, because many of the times we face some features not working problem in our applications. Okay, so it simply means and warning you that you have to update your application. It has time. Okay, the time has come to update your application, so you need to go to Play Store and search for the TikTok, and then you have to update it. Okay, so after the update, right back, you have to go back, and then you have to click on the setting. Update will give you the latest features, and update fixes your bugs. Okay, so that's why update is very important. So update it, go to setting. You will find this kind of interface. Scroll it down until you find apps, and then you have to select here manage apps, or you may find here install apps. Okay, so just follow up here, and then guys, you have to search for the TikTok. So let's find it out. So here it is, we have found it, and now you have to click here and open it. So after that guys, what you need to do is you have to force stop the application, and after force stopping you have to clear the data. Okay, so just clear all the data of your TikTok application. No need to backup, just clear the data. Okay, so after clearing the data, go to app permissions, allow the permissions, and then guys, you have to go here, restrict data. You just turn off all these data connections, and then you have to enable it, and then click OK. And now guys, you have to restart your mobile. Okay, so after restarting your device, go and check, your problem will be definitely fixed. So after doing all this solution guys, okay, after doing all this solution at once, your problem will be definitely fixed. And guys, your my sound will be work by now. Okay, and just for example, if your problem still exists, okay, if your problem still exists, and if your problem is not fixed, and if you are still facing the same problem regarding your my sound, then guys, what you need to do is you have to report it to the TikTok team. Okay, what problem you are facing, just report it. So you for that you have to click on the three dots, and then scroll down until you find report a problem. And then guys, here you have to select the sound option. Okay, so just wait, because it is loading. So when the loading gets complete, we can do the process. So now we have to select video and sound, and then we have to select sound again, and you have to click here on the other option and go to still a problem, and then you can report it. Okay, so after reporting your problem to the Instagram team, I mean TikTok team. Okay, after reporting it, your problem will be fixed, okay, within 24 hours. So whatever problem you are facing regarding the my sound, you have to report here. Okay, report here, and then guys, you can send a report from tapping here on the bottom report option. Okay, so just report it, and guys, your problem will be fixed just within 24 hours. Okay, sometimes the problem get fixed as sooner. So you can report it, and after all the solution guys, your problem is going to fix. Definitely, I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.